Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal sponsored by Merit Forex. Monday morning, such a Monday, we are having drone attack on Saudi Arabian facilities of crude oil. Crude oil went up with 11% overnight. Absolutely the major news of the day. As usual, we start with recap of the fundamental calendar and then we're gonna make a short technical analysis. So, what do we have? Monday, we simply don't have, we have nothing. Tuesday, RBA meeting minutes, 1:30 GMT in the morning of for the Australian dollar. Wednesday, CPI for GBP and Euro, followed by FOMC meeting interest rate decision in US 6 p.m. This is gonna be the event of definitely the week. Wednesday 6 p.m. interest rate in US. Thursday, employment change in Australia in the morning, again Australian dollar. Interest rate decision in United Kingdom 11 GMT time. Existing home sales 2 p.m. GMT on Thursday for US, and core retail sales for Canadian dollar on Friday 12:30. So GBP, definitely GBP, Euro, US, we're gonna have very interesting week. Canadian dollar because of the crude oil drone attack. And let's take a look what's going on the charts. The week is gonna be crazy. Euro US dollar as usual. You know, we spoke about the momentum a couple of days ago, how the price can test the resistance 1.1116, barely managed to test it, 5-6 pips away from the resistance, and right now is pushing down. I wouldn't touch Euro US dollar. GBP US dollar seems interesting, just closed above the support. Definitely we can see the GBP going down. In the long term, I really believe we're gonna see Great British Pound going even further down below 1.20. It's a matter of time to see, but for now, just the Great British Pound is making the recovery after the big drop. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels, 1.2381 as support, and then I'm gonna start watching what's going on with the Great British Pound. For now, I just leave it aside. Australian US dollar, it seems trying to find direction, staying right above the resistance 0.6862, and bear in mind that for a couple of days there was no big volatility and we can see continuation to the downside. New Zealand, my favorite trade last week. Absolutely, couple of days and New Zealand pushed down below 0.6399, which is 0.64, and we definitely can see continuation to the downside to test the next round number 0.63. Absolutely the same levels. USD CAD, but more interesting in crude oil. What is going on? Just from 54.80, the market opens around 61.50. This is big. Definitely it is. 11% on the crude oil gap. Definitely we can see the price going down as it's happening, but we can see price going down even further, just to close the gap or to test 57.42. I'm gonna wait a couple of days to see how the crude oil is gonna behave, because right now is just crazy. USD Canadian opened as the crude oil opened with very big gap, as you can see. It closed here and opens here, 70 pips right below the support, 1.3239. Exactly the same strategy. I'm gonna be a little bit more patient for USD Canadian, like the crude oil. I want to see how the price is gonna react according to this drone attack, and then I'm gonna take any action. For now, it's just gonna be very uncertain. USD Swiss opens with gap, not like the crude oil, not like the Canadian dollar, just 35 pips gap, and the price right now is trying to close the gap 0.99. Our resistance level, something that we have to definitely to focus. We discussed short trade on USD Swiss franc last week, Friday I believe. Tested the resistance level and just trying to test the next support 0.98. What we can see, simply slight recovery to the upside and then continuation to the downside. I'm totally bearish of USD Swiss. USD Japanese, Absolutely, with gap. No, such a surprise. So we have here the smallest gap from the majors, almost 30 pips, 32, 39, something like this, 30 pips approximately gap. USD Japanese for now it's not very good for shorting despite the strong downtrend. The USD Japanese is still in a very strong downtrend, so we have to looking for selling opportunities on USD Japanese, but we have to be a little bit more patient because the S&P 500 and Dow Jones went up significantly. This is what's pushing USD Japanese going up as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show me with thumbs up that you like these videos, of course. This is how I see your support. Comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us on the social media. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Have a very profitable week and follow the economic calendar because it's going to be very interesting. Good luck.